6:49 in the morning. Usually I wake up like literally now when my alarm rings at 6:50, but I did my alarm for 6:30 today since I'm filming. So yeah, I already used the bathroom, brushed my teeth. Now I'm downstairs and I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna make eggs. Yeah, just gonna make eggs today. I haven't had avocado in a while and I was gonna do avocado, but it doesn't look like the avocado's ready. So we're just gonna make 2 eggs, scramble them up. I'm usually lazy now, so I just crack them over the pan and mix them in the pan instead of, you know, scrambling it in a bowl and then putting it in. So yeah, life hack for you guys if you guys are lazy and you want to save time. But let's get this going, because if I keep talking, it's gonna be 7 o'clock. Here are my eggs. It's still literally so dark outside. I get so sleepy when it's dark like this. Like, what? And I gotta curl these pieces. I curled my hair last night, so hopefully it stays together in this bun, but a real curl. I will recurl some pieces if they look like this. So that's why we also woke up early, so we can redo my hair if we needed to. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat my eggs and then I'll go back upstairs and we will get into my outfit, get the baby together and everything before I go to work.
Hi.
Hi. Good morning. Good morning. How are you this morning, Mama? Are you good? Rachel? There you go.
Go.
Thank you. Together, super duper cute. I love it. Today is pink out day because we're celebrating breast cancer awareness month, but then also we are celebrating red ribbon week. So Monday we wore red, yesterday we wore our favorite jersey, today is pink. So don't really have anything pink, so I decided to get this sweater off of Amazon. Got this top off of Amazon as well. Then I got my favorite Levi jeans on. I love them to death. I'll write the name down below in the description, but they're my favorite. And then I just have my Air Forces on. Obviously, curled my hair, got my usual jewelry on, earrings, my necklace with everything on it, my rings, Little Words Project bracelet. This one says Jesus and this one says Girl Mom, but I have 3 bracelets on each side. But yeah, that is literally my outfit. So yeah, I love it so much. Tell me how I woke up early and the baby decided to get up early like me. Like, does any of you guys' baby do that? Like, they feel that when you wake up, they just wake up automatically after you? Because if I was laying in bed still, she would have not gotten up till like later on. So yeah, I don't know if you just heard her, but gave her milk, and then now I'm gonna change her diaper, and she will be off to her grandparents to take care of her while I go to work. As you guys know, I'm a part-time paraprofessional if you guys watch my other videos, but yeah, I just go in from 8:30 to 12:30, and I'll be back like at 1, so. So here I am writing the timesheet, and right now I'm in one of the classes. As you guys know, I work with the 2nd grade classes, so I work with 4 2nd grade classes. So in this class, I usually just walk around, make sure the kids are doing what they need to do, help with behavior and stuff like that. And here's just a little break that I was able to read a page or two from Local Women Missing, a new book that I am reading. Then in this class, I do a lot. I help the teacher with a lot. I do her homework folders. I check the spelling, the homework, put in the new homework. Today I had to put in work that they had that I needed to put in their folders to take home. I do their reading journals, cut out some papers for her and put in the reading journals. I do a lot of stuff, and I'm glad I do. I love helping out the teachers, so I love being busy. And yeah, so here I'm walking to the pizza shop. I'm in the mood for some pizza, so I'm gonna go get some pizza. I just came back from work. I just dropped off my stuff and walking to the pizza shop now. Exciting because I didn't know. I forgot today was Wednesday that I'm filming, and we're going bowling tonight. He's like in a bowling league, so go watch him play bowling. So exciting! I just literally spent like a good 30 minutes doing a TikTok, trying to get the best video. I did a DOB, which is drink outfit book. That was my first ever TikTok that I did with like the drink outfit book. But yeah, I wanted to talk about actually the book that I read the other day. If you guys know, I'm into books. And so I read The Surrogate Mother by Frida McFadden in like 2 days. And that junk was getting me tight that I had to keep reading. Like yesterday, I could not put the book down. I was like, I have to finish this book. And I gave it a 4 stars at the end. But it could be a 5 stars. But it kind of reminded me of The Tenant. But Tenant I gave 5. But like Tenant is kind of like 4 to it. Like I was between 4 and 5, I believe. But if you guys have not read The Surrogate Mother, read that book. Frida is like one of my favorite authors. I know some of her books are hit and miss, but the only book that I noticed that I didn't really like was The Crash that came out in the beginning of the year. So yeah, and I had to read like 4 other of her books, like her older ones, like The Coworker, The Teacher, The Boyfriend, and One by One. I think those are the 4 books I have not read by her. Oh, and The Locked Door. So 5 books from her. So let's see when I get to that. But right now, if you guys want to see what book I'm reading, I'm going to be starting Local Women Missing. This is a book that is talked about on TikTok, so I've always wanted to read this, and I finally got it off of Amazon. So let's see how this goes. I'll keep you guys updated in like the shorts or whatever. But yeah.
1, 2, 3, yellow.
Oh, Luca, who could have done this? Bambino, at this most
with my sister-in-law. The baby had ground beef, sweet potato and grapes today. She liked the sweet potato and grapes. The beef today, I don't know why she didn't like it. The past couple days she has it. I don't know if it's because it's constant. Let me know down below. I'm at the bowling alley right now, so I'll see you guys later.